Today we're making a Chinese cumin roast leg of lamb, perfect for Easter. This serves 8 and takes about 3 hours active, plus 8 hours marinating. Let's get into it. 1 bone-in leg of lamb, about 5 to 6 pounds. This is the star of the roast. 3 tablespoons of ground cumin, the signature Xinjiang aroma. 1 tablespoon of ground coriander for warmth. 1 teaspoon of crushed Sichuan peppercorns for a citrusy tingle. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes for heat. 6 cloves of minced garlic to punch up flavor. 2 tablespoons of grated fresh ginger for brightness. 1/4 cup of soy sauce for umami. 1/4 cup of Shaoxing wine for depth. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar for balance. 2 tablespoons of neutral oil to bind the marinade. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt to season throughout. 1 teaspoon of black pepper for a warm bite. 2 tablespoons of honey for the glaze. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce for the glaze. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for nutty aroma. 1 tablespoon of hot water to loosen the glaze. 3 scallions, thinly sliced, for a fresh finish. 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds for crunch. Half a cup of fresh cilantro leaves for brightness. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons ground cumin, 1 tablespoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon crushed Sichuan peppercorns, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 6 minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons grated ginger, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons neutral oil, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon black pepper until you have a thick paste. Pat the leg of lamb dry, then score the fat in a crosshatch about 1/2 inch deep so the marinade can sink in. Rub the paste all over the lamb, press it into the slits and coat every surface evenly. Cover the lamb and marinate in the fridge for at least 8 hours, up to 24. Take the lamb out of the fridge and let it sit for 45 minutes. Set a rack in the middle and preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. Line a roasting pan with foil. Set a rack inside and place the lamb fat side up. Roast at 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius for 1 hour without opening the oven. For the glaze, whisk 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon hot water until smooth. After 1 hour, brush the glaze over the lamb, then keep roasting and baste with more glaze every 15 minutes. Continue roasting until the thickest part hits 135 Fahrenheit for medium rare or 145 for medium, about 30 to 45 minutes more. If it browns too fast, tint with foil and rotate the pan once. Move the lamb to a board and rest it, loosely tinted with foil, for 20 minutes so the juices settle. For the garnish, mix 3 sliced scallions, 1/2 cup of fresh cilantro leaves, and 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds. Remove the foil and carve the lamb across the grain into thin slices. Arrange the slices on a platter, spoon over any pan juices, and scatter the scallion, cilantro, and sesame garnish on top. Serve the roast lamb hot for your Easter table and brush on a little extra glaze if you like. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this Easter roast, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more delicious videos.